In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the DigitalOcean API. We're going to walk through creating a secure personal access token in DigitalOcean so you can authenticate your scripts and tools. Start by heading to digitalocean.com and sign into your account. If you're new, create an account first so you have access to the control panel. Once you're on the site, scroll down to the very bottom of the page. Toward the left side of the footer, you'll find a link labeled API. Click that to open the API settings area. On the API page, look for the section for personal access tokens. This is where you'll generate the credential your applications will use. Click the option to generate a new token. You'll see a form that asks for a few details, and each choice matters for security and convenience. Start by entering a token name. Pick something clear and specific so you'll recognize it later, like the project or environment it's for. Good names make cleanup and audits easier down the road. Next, choose an expiration. Time-limited tokens reduce risk if a secret is ever exposed, so it's often best to set a shorter expiry and plan to rotate tokens regularly. If you truly need a long-lived token, choose it thoughtfully and track when to replace it. Then select the scopes. Scopes define what the token can do. If you only need to view resources, select Read Only. If your automation will create or modify infrastructure, include write access. Apply the principle of least privilege. Grant only what's required for the task. Before you can finalize, DigitalOcean may require a valid payment method on file. This is normal for accounts that will interact with billable resources via the API. Add a payment method if prompted. You won't be charged just for creating a token. Costs only occur if you provision resources. Now generate the token. When it appears, copy it immediately and store it in a secure place, such as a password manager or an encrypted secrets vault. Treat it like a password. You won't be able to view it again after you leave the page, but you can always revoke it and create a new one if needed. That's it. You've navigated to the API page, created a token with a clear name, sensible expiration, and the right scopes, added a payment method if required, and generated your credential. Use this token securely in your tools by passing it as a bearer token in your requests and rotate or revoke it when it's no longer needed. For specific endpoints and examples, refer to DigitalOcean's official API documentation.